Hey guys, I wanted to share a project I've been working on with you. This may or may not be of any interest to you, but if it is, I hope you'll subscribe for some more updates to this project. Alright, I'll try to make this quick to not bore you guys. So I like flight simulator type games, but there's other applications to the same thing. I started looking at various types of external controllers for computers to control different types of software and control simulators, and I found that there's some really expensive types of controls out there, and there's some other ones that aren't quite as bad, but they're still weren't what I was looking for. Additionally, I just got into 3D printing, so I figured I would try my hand at designing a couple things. So I laid out these napkins, hoping it's easier to see since the prints I made are and some of the buttons are mostly in black. So I have a knob here as an example. So essentially, depending on what you're looking for, you'll print a specific type of panel. This is the knob panel, and I'll keep this short, and it just fastens down and tightens there. Ultimately, you got a couple different types of panels here. So there you go. Just a couple different types, and you take this panel, and I'll use these switches as an example, right? Plug it in, and there you go. And from there, you can take this mount here and plug it directly into these bases, and you print out as many bases as you want, and then you can take a connector there it goes, and again you can connect as many of these as you want. The limitations will be on the electrical side. But from there, these edges are smooth, so you can do your wiring. Now, to prep the base, you just do your length and width, and then you're ready to go. Now, as far as wiring goes, there's going to be a bunch of different ways to do this, and I know someone smarter than I am will probably figure it out beforehand with some of these other controllers. But you can go with an Arduino style controller. So I got two Arduinos here. You can go with a Raspberry Pi. For my purposes, I'm going to be setting up with one of these USB encoder style type adapters, and essentially the principle is the same. You take the inputs of all these, and you adapt it to the pins, do the programming, and then you'll have a controller that's completely modular, and you can customize it however you want. And you can see that these do pop in here. Oops. Alright. Come on. Alright. Sorry about that. Smooth as butter. Okay. You know, as far as future modules go, I have a few more coming out. There's going to be one that angles it. And then I'll be, like I said, I'll be working with the zero delay USB encoder style, and I'll create a enclosure for it. And I have a couple more ideas, and as soon as I get them more fleshed out, I'll let you guys know. You know, and then yeah. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any issues with the files, feel free to reach out, and I'll keep you guys updated. Anyways, Thingiverse links will be in the description below, and thanks for watching.